In this video, I will be reviewing the Dengjia vegetable cleaver with the 9Cr15Mov core material. Hello guys, I'm ChefPanko and I used to work in a Japanese restaurant. Make sure to subscribe to know more about cooking and knives. Before we start with the review, I want to go over some disclosures. The Dengjia vegetable cleaver was gifted to me by Dengjia. However, no one is paying me to make this video or to include the knife in the video. No one will get a chance to preview my footage or thoughts before the video goes up on YouTube. If this video helps you decide, please give this video a thumbs up since that will help the channel a lot. Now with the disclosures away, let's start with the review of the Dengjia vegetable cleaver. The Dengjia vegetable cleaver comes with a hazy mirror finish and vertical scratch pattern. They also have added a sanding line to help food to stick less on the blade. If you look closely, they also have a slight visible cladding line. The knife comes with an acrylic handle. The Dengjia vegetable cleaver comes with a 9Cr15Mov core material with a Rockwell hardness of around 58 to 59. The most interesting part is how durable the knife core material is. While you cannot go through thick bones, the knife is suitable for filleting a fish. It can withstand some abuse without worrying about the brittleness or chipping. The knife is sharpened at a 15-degree angle per side. This angle gives the knife extra sharpness, but because of the 9Cr15Mov core material, the knife is doing a good job maintaining the edge retention at that angle. The core material is also strong, so you don't have to worry about chipping even at the low factory angle. With a Rockwell of 58 to 59, the knife can hold the edge for around 3 to 5 months with regular honing sessions before needing whetstone maintenance. The longer edge retention is made possible because of the weight of around 280 grams, and the knife has no spine tapering, which is typical for a Chinese vegetable cleaver. The thickness across the spine is 1.9 millimeters. The knife handle is made from acrylic, which is water resistant and has a unique pattern. For the best comfort, the handle grip is advised. If you are used to a blade pinch grip, you won't benefit from the handle curves. However, Dengjia offers similar knives with different handles. The balance point of this knife is at the front. If you pinch grip at the blade or the handle, the knife will be front heavy, which you want for a cleaver style knife. The blade profile is what you expect from a Chinese cleaver. The blade has a gently curved belly in the middle. The version I received had some slight protrusions around the handle, but they were not noticeable during use. I also have a different knife from Dengjia where there were no problems at all. The Dengjia vegetable cleaver with the 9Cr15Mov core material has my recommendation. Combined with a good heat treatment, they managed to keep the knife lightweight, sharp and very durable. Keep in mind that the handle ergonomics of the JCD-904 is not the most comfortable if you are a pinch gripper at the blade. Therefore, I can recommend other versions that Dengjia offers with the same core material, which is the cleaver's biggest surprise. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or other opinions, leave them in the comment section below. If I helped you decide, please give this video a thumbs up since that will help the channel a lot. If you want to know more about cooking and knives, please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.